Hello students, this is second video about organic compounds and classification or types of organic compounds are explained here. Organic compounds are firstly divided into two types, aliphatic or acyclic or open chain compounds and cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. Aliphatic or acyclic open chain compounds are further divided into two types, saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbons or organic compounds, and cyclics are two types, homocyclic organic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclics are further two types, alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds, and heterocycles are again alicyclic or aromatic compounds. Aromatic means having a special aroma and which having alternate double or single bonds are there. This type of compounds are aromatic compounds, and other single or double bond compounds are called aliphatic compounds. Example of homoaromatic compounds are benzenoid or non-benzenoid compounds, and heterocyclic aromatic compounds are also benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Benzenoid means what? Which contains benzene-like structure, and non-benzenoid which contains the structure having no benzene ring. Aliphatic open chains carbon atoms, unbranched or branched, contain single, double or triple bonds. Example, ethane, ethene or ethine. Ethane is single bonds, ethene is double bond hydrocarbons, and ethine is triple bond hydrocarbons. You can see in the figure. Example, CH3 single bond CH3, ethylene is CH2, double bond CH2, and CH triple bond CH is ethine or acetylene. Aromatic hydrocarbon closed rings of carbon atoms, you can see in the figure. Carbon contains with single or double bond, alternative single or double bond, and this ring is called benzene ring. C6H6 is the example. Alicyclic closed ring of carbon atoms, rings from the shape of polygon, triangle, square or rectangle or etc. Example of epoxide. Here you can see the example. Saturated compounds that contains only single bond. Example, alkane. Ethane is the type of alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons that contains multiple bonds, single or double or triple bonds are called unsaturated. Alkene or alkyne are the example. Ethine, ethine or ethene are the example of double or triple bond. Next is functional groups. Functional groups, an atom or group of atoms which determine the chemical and physical properties of an organic compounds. Importance, they are units by which are divided organic compounds into classes. We can identify the organic compounds on the basis of functional groups, which types of compounds or in which group they belongs. They are sites of chemical reactions. A particular functional group in whatever compound it is found undergoes the same type of chemical reactions. Functional groups serve as a basic for naming organic compounds. Here, for functional groups and organic compounds, name of organic compounds are given. C double bond C, alkene, suffix or prefix use in, ene, and ethene is the name of this compound. C triple bond C, alkyne, ine is the suffix or prefix. Example, CH triple bond CH, ethyne or acetylene. OH is the functional group for alcohol. COC or ROR is the functional group for ether. CX, X for halogens, is the functional group for haloalkane, and CN for amine. COH aldehyde. COC or C double bond O is ketone. COOH for carboxylic acid. COC for ester, double bond, one oxygen with double bond and another oxygen with single bond bind there. CON is amide. These are all functional groups. Now next topic is homologous series. All the members of a particular homologous series have same general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Example is here. Homologous series means member of a particular group which contains same functional group or having same general formula, or one member is differ by the other is by a constant CH2. That means what? If you add one CH2 in a previous member, you can get the next successor or the new member. As the molecular size increases, the boiling point of the compound increases in a homologous series. Students, you know that normally carbon having 4 valency. So here we describe about the nomenclature of carbon on the basis of their for bonding or types there. So first, straight chain alkanes. Alkanes means what? Single bond carbon means all the 4 bonds of carbon attached with the individual 4 hydrogen or different atoms. Name of hydrocarbons: methane, ethane, propane. You can see here N is the suffix which is always used for the single bond, and with this for 1 carbon meth, for 2 eth, for 3 prop, for 4 bute, pent for 5, hex for 6 carbon, hept for 7, oct for 8, non for 9, and dec for 10 is used here. This is one of the homologous series in which carbon number increases. Melting point, you can guess here, melting point also increases because it is minus sign. As the number decreases, melting point increases, and same for boiling point also. Formula of organic compounds can be complex. A system is needed that shows structure. We want something that is easy to read. Molecular formula, empirical formula, structural formula, condensed formula, on bond line formula. One by one I will discuss these things in my next video. So this is all for today.